Lara sewing.
What if I told you that you could capture nature's secret colors onto fabric with just the strike of a hammer? Today, we're bringing the art of Hapa Zome to life, using nothing but a leaf, a hammer, and a little bit of magic. The secret is all in the preparation. To make sure the pigment stays locked into the fibers, we're creating a sandwich. Put a piece of plastic on the bottom, then your fabric, then the leaf, and cover it with another layer of plastic. This keeps all that fresh moisture and vibrant color right where it belongs, deep in the heart of the fabric. Now, pay close attention. Don't just hit and lift. You need to strike and drag the hammer inward from the edges. By sliding the hammer across the surface as you strike, you'll capture every single intricate detail of the leaf's veins. It's not just a hit, it's an intentional dragging motion that creates art. I'm using a grape leaf today for its stunning texture, but you can also use roses or geraniums for a pop of color. As long as the plant is fresh and juicy, it's your paintbrush. With every sliding strike, the soul of the leaf transfers to the cloth. The result is completely unique, a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Imagine this on a blouse collar, a stylish tote bag, or as a signature detail on your next couture piece. If you loved this special technique and my sandwich method, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Which leaf would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Now let's go weave some nature into our work.